Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it. First, I'll open up a design as an example. The easiest way to resize your image without cutting anything off is to use the corner handles. Just click on the image and drag any of the 4 corner dots. This keeps the image in its original proportions while changing its size. Another option is to click on the image, go to Position, and enter new dimensions manually. However, this method can crop parts of the image, so keep that in mind. If that happens, you can always undo and stretch it back out. If you're using Canva Pro, there's one more powerful option. You can click on Resize at the top, choose a different format like an Instagram post, or enter a custom size. Canva will then adjust your design to those new dimensions. That's how you can resize images in Canva without losing any important parts. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.